Introduction. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the universe. In this video, we will be discussing one of the most exciting and fascinating topics in astronomy, the merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies. For years, scientists have been studying these galaxies and speculating whether they will eventually merge into a giant elliptical galaxy. Today, we will be exploring this topic in depth and discussing the evidence that suggests this merger will happen. So, buckle up and let's get started. Section 1: The Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies. First, let's talk about the two galaxies at the center of this discussion. The Milky Way and Andromeda are the two largest galaxies in the local group, a group of galaxies that includes the Triangulum galaxy and other smaller galaxies. The Milky Way is estimated to be about 100,000 light-years across, while Andromeda is slightly larger at about 110,000 light-years across. The two galaxies are currently about 2.5 million light-years apart, but they're gravitationally bound to each other and moving towards each other at a speed of about 110 km/s. Section 2: Evidence of the merger. The first evidence of the merger came from observations made by the Hubble Space Telescope. The telescope captured images of a stream of stars known as the Sagittarius stream that appeared to be orbiting the Milky Way. The Sagittarius stream is believed to be the remnant of a dwarf galaxy that was absorbed by the Milky Way in the past. This led astronomers to speculate that the Milky Way has already consumed several smaller galaxies in the past and will likely do so again in the future. Another piece of evidence comes from the observations of the Andromeda galaxy. Astronomers have found evidence of a massive halo of hot gas surrounding Andromeda. This halo is estimated to contain as much mass as several hundred billion suns and is believed to have been created by the collision of Andromeda with other smaller galaxies in the past. This halo is also evidence of the gravitational pull that Andromeda has on its surrounding galaxies, including the Milky Way. Section 3: The merger process. The process of the merger will take millions of years to complete. As the two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational pull will become stronger and they will begin to distort each other's shapes. The stars in each galaxy will begin to interact with each other, creating new star clusters and disrupting existing ones. Over time, the two galaxies will merge into a single, larger galaxy. Section 4: What will happen to Earth? One question that many people have is what will happen to Earth during this merger. Fortunately, Earth is unlikely to be affected significantly. The distance between stars in galaxies is vast, and even though the two galaxies will merge, the stars themselves are unlikely to collide with each other. The gravitational interactions between the two
galaxies could, however, disrupt the orbits of some stars and planets, but this is also unlikely to have a significant impact. Conclusion. So, will the Milky Way and Andromeda merge into a giant elliptical galaxy? The evidence certainly seems to suggest that this will happen. The merger is still millions of years away, but it is an exciting prospect for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. As always, we will continue to study the universe and learn more about its mysteries, and we will be sure to share our findings with you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.